illustrated card in your seat pocket explains the many safety features of this aircraft.
What is happening, guys? Thank you for tuning in to another video. Rush SRT here, back again. I know I've been gone for a minute. I actually was out in Canada for the past week and ended up getting sick out there because it was so damn cold. But now that I'm back, I'm starting to feel a little better, but I might sound a little sick, and that's why. So today we have a cold start after a freaking week, guys. This thing has been sitting for a week. I did not leave the keys with anybody because I just wanted to do this video when I got back, so I wonder how loud it's gonna be. I've waited. It's currently like 9:30, so I feel like all my neighbors should be awake, so I don't want to be a jerk and wake all of them up, so I did have that courtesy. But while I was in Canada, I just kept thinking about coming back here and driving, because I was in a couple rental cars, well, obviously nothing compares to the Challenger and how fun this thing is. And the driving conditions in Canada this time of year are terrible. A lot of snow. I had the car spin out on me twice, which was not fun. But now that we're back in Cali, clear roads, dry conditions, beautiful weather, let's go ahead and get an awesome video for you guys.
Guys, what can I say? It feels so good to be back in Southern California. I'm gonna look at this beautiful weather, dry roads, and I really did not appreciate, or didn't know what we had till I went to Canada and saw the conditions there, saw how cold it was, and how no way in hell would I be taking my car out if I did have it out in Canada. It just was not good, conditions whatsoever. From being in the garage for a fucking week. She's like, that's not what I was bought into this world to do. I'm here to terrorize. Oh man, she just wants to spin them tires and make a smoke show. Soon, baby, soon we'll open you up. Right now, just heading down to PCH. Just relax, take it easy. Take it easy. Alrighty guys, now that we have chilled out a little bit, got my excitement levels a little down, driven the car for a good 30 minutes or so, let's talk about the channel. Let's talk about the direction of the channel, the kind of content that I'm planning to produce in 2018 for you guys, and really just kind of letting you know where I'm planning to take this. Oh my god, I'm still sick. Alright, Canada was super cold, but nonetheless, 2018 is going to be the year that I try to grow this channel to 10,000 subscribers. Now, in order to get to 10,000 subscribers, I have to produce good content, because it's very hard to grow a channel these days, especially without good content. It's very competitive. A lot of people are making different videos, so you definitely have to stand out and create good content. For me, thankfully, I have a little bit of a film background, so I kind of know how to edit and do things, but it's been a couple of years, so obviously like levels have dropped a little bit, so I'm trying to bring them back up. I'm trying to get up to speed. I might be upgrading camera equipment along the way. Like obviously I got the new GoPro, and I don't really, not too big a fan of it just because the battery life is terrible and it just seems like it's not that great. So I might end up switching this out for the even newer one, because this is a 5, for the 6, to see if that's any better, but we'll see in the coming days. But in terms of the content, what I noticed does well on my channel is mods do well, because people like mods and actually enjoy filming and making tutorials about mods, which is good. So that works out for me too. Another thing I noticed is that people like to, they like car comparisons. So when you do like, you know, this car versus that car type of deal, people like those kind of videos, which is cool. Like I did the M4 versus SRT, that did pretty well. You know, people enjoyed it, got a lot of likes. Also, the last thing is gonna be something that I have not yet done, but I'm thinking about doing, and it's gonna be like little car interviews. So we get with the owner, we check out the car, and then we set up a very cool interview where we try to get them to talk about their car and kind of take a peek inside their brain and see what they're thinking, why they did what they did. I think that would do really well, just because people are always curious as into like, why did someone do that, or what the thought process is behind it. And it's very cool to meet different car owners and get their perspective on things. Like if someone was to interview me, I'd have a lot of fun with that interview. So that's something that I'm going to introduce to the channel. And obviously, I mean, you guys have seen I do like I filmed a few meets here and there. I don't think I'm gonna do that too often, just because there's a lot of other people covering that, so I don't really feel the need to. When I go to a meet, I kind of want to enjoy it, talk to the people, get to know people. I don't want to be too occupied, because like filming is, it takes a lot of effort to just stay, you know, get all the shots and everything that you need. So I'm probably gonna shy away from that. So I'm sorry if you do enjoy those kind of videos. You're probably gonna have to look at them elsewhere, because I'm kind of drifting away from that on the channel. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think? Is this a good move? Am I doing the right thing? What kind of videos have you enjoyed on my channel, and what things have you not enjoyed? Things that maybe I shouldn't do. Let me know below. I actually, because I have a small subscriber base right now, I take in each and every comment that you guys send me, so I'm able to adjust you know, to my audience's liking. And I'm not saying I'm trying to change, but obviously you need to adjust to, you know, make better content. And I'm open for criticism. I understand that I'm not the perfect YouTuber, by no means. I'm just getting started. But this is, I feel like I'm off to a good start. I'm getting pretty positive feedback, and it's really motivating to keep going. So I wanted to thank every one of you. If you liked or disliked my videos, I really do appreciate that view. Just taking the time out of your day to watch something that I created is actually really nice of you. So thank you. And if you're a hater, that's fine. You know, not everyone, I can't please everybody, and I understand that. But if you definitely did enjoy it, then thank you very much. I hope you stay along for the journey. 2018 is gonna be a big year for me. I'm gonna try my hardest to get to the top and make some awesome content for you guys. So without further ado, let's enjoy the rest of this day, and